Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install Lora Models Stable Diffusion Automatic1111. Now, you basically come here to Civet AI, click on Models, and then here find the filter icon and select Lora as the model type. And then you just wait for the page to refresh and display only the Lora model types. You browse through the collection and find whatever inspires you, whatever you like, and then you just need to go ahead and right click on the blue download button and save it as. Okay, save link as. Just navigate to your Lora folder within the models directory. Okay, this is what it should look like. And then go ahead and save, and then you can start using it. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. And once you've clicked on your desired Lora model, new text should appear in the prompt, and it should look like this. And if this does not show up, that means you might have placed it in the wrong folder. And also consider clicking here on the refresh button. Okay, that should fix a lot of your issues. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.